I am going to repair this desk fan. I have been going to this shop in London that sells loads of fans. I will not mention the name of the shop or where it's located out of respect, because I don't want people knowing YouTube start harassing this person who lets me repair these fans. I give him the money, he gives me the broken fan, I repair it, then I take it back. I wasn't planning on starting a channel, but I thought I could probably make this into something, as I've been repairing fans and other electricals for like the last 10 years. That's a long time. This repair job is quite simple. All I need is a new part of this, which I already have, and a new fan blade and set of grills, because apparently they went missing. Probably they didn't arrive with the fan, I'm not too sure. Because I want to get this video out there as soon as possible, I want to record this as soon as I received the fan parts, which is today. I got the fan parts with me. It's in this random mods box that I've been using just for this video, so I don't lose it. It's hard to lose fan parts. However, when I'm not paying attention, that stuff does happen. Anyways, I won't be talking when repairing this fan. I won't be adding music when repairing this fan because of YouTube's weird copyright system, as well as some people don't like music added to videos. However, the video will obviously be sped up, so that way people won't get bored. But I don't want to make it too fast. I want people to watch what I'm doing. And hopefully this will encourage everyone else to not throw out their working stuff, to keep it, because they can order some replacement parts, which then they can repair themselves. Just for the sake of this video, I'm going to make sure it works. This is low. There we go. Of course it's going to work. It's just, again, a simple repair job. Most people will never able to do this. They'll just throw out the fan and buy a new one. It's just a simple repair job. And to let that person know that it's been repaired, fixed by Mark, because that's my name.